Now we come on to number 7, which is social media shoutouts and endorsements. Now, nowadays, this is pretty much known as influencer marketing. But what people don't know generally is you don't have to be an influencer to make money from this or to get free stuff from this. You can just have quite a large social media account. It doesn't have to be your own account, it could be something to do with art. There is actually an account about there's a chain of pubs in the UK called Weatherspoons, and in Weatherspoons, every single different Weatherspoons has a different carpet, and there's an Instagram account just for different Weatherspoons carpets, and they go around the country taking photos of these carpets in these British pubs. I'm not joking; it's an actual Instagram account. All sorts of very strange niche accounts can become monetized and can also get free stuff. So you can get accounts like the carpet account, sharing art, sharing landscapes. If you love checking out cool photos on Unsplash and Pexels and Pixabay.com, and you share those on an Instagram page to do with landscapes and views and travel and things like that. If you can grow a following of even a minimum of 10,000 followers, you can make money out of this account. And in fact, you don't have to grow the account yourself, you can outsource the growth. I've done that. I've got an account with about 24,000 followers. It's in a niche account. I outsourced all of it, but it's my account. I own it. Alternatively, you can buy accounts and monetize the accounts you purchase, which I've also done in the past. And this basically is a brilliant opportunity, especially for younger entrepreneurs who've grown up with social media and are practically on social media 24/7. They're attached to their mobile phones, their smartphones, and it's incredibly lucrative. I know a guy in the US, he's 17 and he makes thousands of dollars, sorry, a week because he has a large network of big Twitter accounts. There is a whole company called Social Chain that I've seen, from inception grow to become probably $1 billion company now. And they're all about this, shout outs and endorsements with large companies who want exposure online on social media. And all you do is market yourself and your services and your network of accounts to SMBs, small to medium sized businesses, to entrepreneurs, to, for example, Shopify brands, to retail websites, fashion brands, and things like that, and say, look, I'll give you guys a shout out for this amount of money. Or you say, look, I'll give you guys a shout out if you send me a free product. And it works. All you have to do is a bit of outreach and reach out to people that are likely to be interested in your service. And it is a fun and enjoyable business for people who spend a lot of time on social media, especially for people that love Instagram. I know Instagram is absolutely huge with a specific demographic and type of person. And if you're one of the people that loves Instagram, you're always snapping away and sharing your photos, then this is really an amazing opportunity for you. You just need to grow that account. However, it can be a distraction and you might get attached to your smartphone. When you're out for meals or you're on dates or you're with your friends, you're likely to be checking your newsfeed, checking your notifications, checking your private messages, even checking your emails for new clients and new shout out work. And as I said, it can take a long time to build a following. So if you have a very small account, you may be interested in purchasing one, but obviously do be diligent. Do check that it is, a legit account and has real followers, not fake followers. Because if you buy followers, no one is going to be wanting shout outs from you. If you buy followers off Fiverr or some other cheap marketplace, these followers are going to be trash. They're going to be fake accounts. You need a large following of genuine, interested, passionate people. And as I said, you can actually scale this into a large modern media company if you grow multiple accounts, if you acquire multiple accounts across different platforms. You can turn yourself into a fully fledged media company, just like Social Chain did.